Spices are the backbone of our food culture, and where masalas are concerned, the fresher, the better. Here are some essential masalas every pantry needs. Start with Pyadki chilies. You can also mix in Kashmiri chilies if you'd like this to be less spicy. Cumin seeds, coriander seeds, fresh fennel seeds, a smattering of cloves, gorgeous green cardamom, aromatic star anise, fiery peppercorns, sweet cinnamon, and a tiny bit of mace. Roast these mildly on a low flame because you don't want anything to burn. You should also keep the spices moving so they roast evenly. Watch out for the changing aroma, which will tell you when your spices are ready. Grind this coarse. Masalas should not be too powdery since their flavor tends to weaken faster. This will remain good for months to come. A good garam masala is indispensable in our food culture. We start with the 5 usual suspects: cumin, cloves, cardamom, pepper, and cinnamon. We'll amplify this earthy cumin flavor by using some boldly pungent cloves, fresh green cardamom, strong heaty black pepper, crisp fragrant cinnamon, robust citrusy coriander seeds, Shahi jeera or black cumin, which is smaller and darker than regular cumin, chunky heady black cardamom or badi elaichi, aromatic star anise, popular in so many Asian cuisines, mace, the flower portion of nutmeg, rock flour, which gives a rich black color and flavor, bay leaves for their subtle intensity. Roast everything together in a pan for 3 to 5 minutes, or till it all smells great. Then grind it all up in the mixer. If you make enough, this can last you for a year, but making a limited quantity maximizes its freshness. Remember to store these ingredients in an airtight container. Our next video will feature spicy chai and tangy chaat masalas, so watch out for those. And thanks for watching.